right, everyone. We're looking at the British pound here, and if you remember from last week, we were talking about some of the critical areas for the British pound. If we go ahead and take a look at the daily bars up here, you'll see that as the market came into this resistance zone, we ran into a bit of trouble, as they say on the desk. Basically, when a trader is talking about the market running into trouble, usually what's going on is the price has been moving up over a period of time, 2-3 days, a week or more, and then seemingly out of nowhere, it seems like the sellers just flood the market. And that's really what we saw today with the British pound. For those of you that don't know, what's been rumbling in the currency markets lately have been several central bankers coming out and talking very aggressively about interest rates. For example, in the European Union, the European central bankers have been talking very aggressively about inflation, almost certainly pointing towards interest rate hikes coming into the next cycle. Whether or not that this turns out to be posturing, who really knows? Basically, what's going on are the central bankers are concerned, as they should be, that asset prices are going up. In other words, when you go to buy a gallon of milk, a gallon of gasoline, eggs, bacon, butter, bread, everything is quite a bit more expensive now than it was even just 6 months ago, let alone 2-3 years ago or 5 years ago. So that inflationary pressure is coming to bear on currencies right now. So what we saw over the last several days, we'll go ahead and zoom in here, starting right in this area here, currencies started to move back up, and now we're looking at the markets pulling off of their highs. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 15-minute chart here. This is Monday, June 9th. You can see that through the European session, right into the New York opening, there was some pretty good momentum. We had a little bit of a news spike coming in right here, right at the 4:30 hour, but then the market really just adjusted and continued moving on. But as soon as the New York market opened, you can see right here, prices literally fell off of a cliff. And this is what I mean by